Sociabble is a social media management and analytics software, but before you commit, here are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to competitors like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social, this breakdown will give you the insights to decide if it's the right choice for you. Stay tuned till the end for an even better option. First up, Sociabble is designed to streamline social media management, but it's more focused on employee advocacy and engagement than just scheduling posts. This means it could be a great fit for businesses looking to leverage their team's social presence. But if you're purely looking for a tool to manage social media scheduling and publishing, other options might be more suitable. Next thing to consider is its analytics features. Sociabble provides robust reporting tools that track social media performance, but when compared to platforms like Sprout Social, it might feel a bit basic. If you're looking for deep, customizable reports that drill into every aspect of social media campaigns, other tools might offer more. The third thing is the user interface. Sociabble has a clean, modern design, but it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. If you're new to social media management platforms, expect a slight learning curve. On the other hand, platforms like Buffer are known for their simplicity, which might be a better starting point for some. The fourth thing is the integrations. Sociabble does a decent job integrating with major social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, but it doesn't have as many third-party app integrations as something like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. If you rely heavily on integrations with other tools, that might be something to keep in mind. Next, let's talk about content curation. Sociabble stands out here by allowing you to curate content from your team and from a wide range of online sources. This makes it an excellent option for companies that want to turn their employees into brand advocates. However, other tools may provide more options for content automation. The sixth thing is the pricing model. Sociabble is on the pricier side, especially when compared to alternatives like Buffer. The higher cost could be justified if you value its employee advocacy features, but if you're simply looking for a scheduling tool, you might find better value elsewhere. Next, let's discuss its mobile app. Sociabble has a solid mobile app, but it's not as intuitive or responsive as apps from competitors like Hootsuite. If you plan on managing your social media from a mobile device, you might want to explore other platforms with more polished apps. The eighth thing is its customer support. Sociabble's customer service is generally responsive, but it's not as robust as what you'll get with larger platforms like Sprout Social. If you need fast, 24/7 support, you might find yourself waiting longer than you'd like. Next, Sociabble offers team collaboration tools that let multiple users contribute to content creation and sharing. This is a great feature for businesses with larger teams, but if you're a solo entrepreneur, you might find it overkill. Other tools like Buffer might be more suited for individuals or smaller teams. The 10th thing to know is that Sociabble's reporting and insights are limited to social performance and employee advocacy. If you're looking for deeper, more detailed analysis of your campaigns across different platforms, other services might offer more flexibility and granularity in their reports. The 11th thing is its scalability. Sociabble is great for businesses looking to scale up their social media efforts through employee advocacy, but it may not be the best fit for small businesses or individuals looking to scale just their own content. Other tools are better equipped for managing one or a few accounts, especially at a lower price point. Finally, Sociabble does offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. While this gives you a chance to explore its features, keep in mind that the free version is limited in comparison to the full version, so you may not get the full picture. To sum up, Sociabble can be a good fit for businesses focused on employee advocacy and engagement, with solid integrations, content curation, and team collaboration. However, if you're looking for a more streamlined, affordable, and feature-rich option for managing your social media, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.